Hi guys. See this? We got the legendary Skylanders eggs. Um, legendary Skylander egg. I found this. And it came with this sidekick called Trigger Snappy. Trigger Snappy needs to show you something. You remember our old flat? Like the clown?
Jump 3 times with the rake on your belly.
I'm the clown. Alright. Well, Trigger Snappy showed you his favorite thing. But Terabyte has his own little friend.
On your belly. How about we do? Jump. 1.
Or should I say, big friend. Terrafin.
Awesome jumping. Awesome jumping.
Yep, that's right, Terrafin. That's right, Terrafin.
Good job, Bryson.
And then there's Whisper Owl.
Circle 2 times with the cake on your head. Get the cake, Natalie. Awesome.
Now that Whisper Owl has shown you his thing, we're going to show you the latest protection. Perfection. I got Scarlet and Genie, but there's gonna be no proof of that.
Yes, you sure about that?
Just, you're gonna have to wait, guys. Why don't I have a good time together. I should look at this, Pokemon card. Yeah, it's way on there. He knows Watergun and Lullaby. Yeah. Good time. Good time to school. But it's all just
You holding it?
Alright, you know what? It's good.
One second, you put it right back.
Alright.
Austin, I can't replace her. I didn't go to Target and get it.
I know. Alright. This is Scarlet and Genie. Oh. I got her the day before she came out at Target. Or a couple of days before she came out at Target. Yeah. Technically before release date. Well, yeah. Yeah, she's nice. I'm one of the few people. So the Skylander boy and girl know about this. I also want to make a shout out. Sorry about the noise. Just let me put her back. Alright, so why don't you tell them, Trigger Snappy? We're going to make a shout out for the Skylander boy and girl. Dun 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 dun.
This one says, step over the trick stick with the toy man between your legs. That's going to be hard. You're going to step over it, but you got to keep it between your legs.
It's kind of a something that
Step over the trick stick with the toy man between your legs.
Something you gotta say. Let's just put it that way.
Now you have to put it between his legs.
Ooh, yeah. I can make it snow. Well, guess what? This is also part of It's Raining Skylanders Part 2. Right now it's snowing. Snowing in my house.
You had to hold it.
Yeah.
Silly Bella.
This is basically the story of how I found Trigger Snappy. It was just one day. He just am Whisper Elf. Yeah? Yeah. Come on. Whisper. Whisper Elf. Then there's Terabyte. He just came, boom, like that, flying down. And then he just landed. Oh yeah, sorry, I haven't made much uploads. Oh yeah, Terabyte. Also, if you want to take a look at my Skylanders charts, you may.
Skip around the trick with the ball under your left arm. This is your left arm.
There she is, the beautiful Skylander chart. As you can see, I'll give you a demonstration. For water, I have here front back, Gill Grunt, and Chill. And then I have Bouncer, Light Cord Robot. Sorry if you can't hear me. I got Crusher, Light Cord Prism, Tarpon, and Flashwing. I have Swarm, Whirlwind, and Jetpack, T-Rex, and Shroomboom, Eyebrow, Cinder, Chop Chop, Hothead, Light Cord, Raptor, and Hot Dog, Scarlet, Nugini, Double Trouble, and Popeye. Those are mine. And to be honest with you, that's like 23 Skylanders out of all 48. I'm not going to get any more than I have today, excepting probably Spyro. Yeah, probably, it's either, yeah, Spyro, Stealth Elf, and, Wrecking Ball. Yeah, that's all I'm probably going to get after this. So I have all the giants. Also, it's been snowing for quite a while, has it not? Well, maybe it's time for some color change. Like it? Looks like Spyro's Adventure theme, eh? Spyro's Adventure theme. So, yeah, I gotta go, guys. Bye. Oh, yeah, that's right. I changed the color change back. So, yeah, bye.